In this video, we're going to look at how to stake your Cardano in a safe and secure way using the official Cardano wallets. Now, there are several other wallets available too, but these are the two most popular wallets as they're on the cardano.org website under individuals. So we'll get into that in just a sec, but just make sure you stay through to the end of the video because we have some Q&A on Cardano staking as well. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, bell notification icon. It is your home of hopium-free crypto content. Now, you're probably wondering, why the hell do I need to stake Cardano? I'm earning a few percent interest on it. What's the point when the market can go up hundreds of a percent? If you're looking to hold your Cardano long term and start your passive income journey, these are pretty good options to get going in the short term. It's good to understand how it works and get comfortable with it, because if you're going to be holding your big positions in these cryptocurrencies and this ends up being your savings account for years to come, it's probably good to get an idea of how it works early on, just in case it's not something you want to do later. So looking at Cardano staking, these are the two wallets that we want to have a look at first under individuals. So we're at cardano.org. I'll leave a link to this in the description down below. Daedalus wallet and Yori wallet. I'm just going to show you how to do it from the wallets themselves. We're not going to go through the process of downloading the individual wallets, etc. So I'll show you Daedalus now. So we click on Daedalus here and come across to the website. Just choose between Mac, Linux, or Windows. Download that wallet and go through the process of setting up the wallet. Make sure you save the keys and everything else like that to keep it safe and secure, just in case you change laptops or the laptop gets wiped. You need to have those keys saved somewhere safely, not only on your computer as well. Now with the Daedalus wallet, just a little note, this one is the full node. So you're going to be downloading the entire blockchain, and this can take some time. I did it and I think it took a few hours. It just depends on the speed of your internet. And unfortunately, in Australia, particularly where I am, internet sucks. So just keep that in mind if you're going to go through the Daedalus wallet process. So once you've downloaded your wallet, the blockchain's updated, you'll obviously need to have some Cardano in this wallet. Now, I don't have any Cardano in this particular wallet. So all you'll need to do is transfer from wherever your ADA is into your wallet. And I'll show you how to do that in just a sec with the Yori wallet. So here you just want to search for the staking pool, and on the channel our staking pool is TIA, the Investor Accelerator. So you want to click on that once you've found it. This is the official one right here, because this is all the data that I've put in to the staking pool. Now we want to hit delegate to this pool, hit continue, and there's no ADA in this this wallet, so it obviously can't do it. So you need a minimum of 10 ADA to stake. So once you've done that, that's it. That's the entire process done with the Daedalus wallet. Now, if you want to use the Yori wallet, back to cardano.org, click on Yori. You'll come up with the Yori website. Going to go to download, find whichever one suits you, Chrome, iOS, Android, whatever it is. Click that. You can also get a Chrome extension for it. So as you can see here, I've got Chrome, makes it pretty easy to use. So then we click across to Yori. This is what you'll come up with. So from this point, you need to transfer ADA to the wallet. And if you don't know how to do that, all you have to do is come across to here. This is what shows up first up. Go across to your wallet, go to receive, because you want to bring the ADA into this wallet. At this point, we have an address here. So you just copy this address and then go to your exchange or wherever other wallet it is that you're holding ADA. And in this case, we have SwiftX. So if you want to buy Cardano in Australia, SwiftX is a great option. Link to SwiftX is down below as well. You can use that for $10 of free Bitcoin, which you could sell and buy some Cardano with. So we've got Cardano, we're at withdrawals, Cardano withdrawal addresses, click on that. And now that we copy the address from Yori, paste it in here, add it, put a label here if you want to, and then you just basically go through the processes and click withdraw. So this is the same process for any wallet. You just want to make sure you go to the receive, because you want to be bringing the ADA into that wallet, and you'll have an address here. And if you don't have it, you can always hit a generate new address. Make sure you're copying this address. Come back and check it a few times, just the first few letters and the last few letters, just to make sure there's been no typos. You know, you've bumped something on the keyboard, and that should be pretty safe. Do a test at first if you want to be even safer. You know, send 1 or 2 ADA through, pay the fee, and just have peace of mind that your ADA is going to get to the wallet safely. So now that you have ADA in your wallet, you can always check it under transactions. If you want to ever send it out of the wallet, you just go to send, do the same process, copy and paste an ADA address from an external source and then paste it into the send area. So we want to delegate our ADA now to the investor accelerator staking pool. So we go across to delegations list, go to search ID, TIA, that's the ticker symbol for our staking pool. We hit search and just let the internet catch up. TIA right there. So we're at the top here, the investor accelerator. These numbers are updated every few days, so I wouldn't be too concerned with those at the moment. We've had pretty good luck, which is the way the epochs work. Some people refer to it as an epoch, an epoch. Anyway, epoch, this is basically just the term for the ADA rewards that come through every 5 days, provided you have mined a block. So over the last couple of epochs, we have been very lucky and secured several blocks high above the average return of around 5.5%. This is all based on luck, so we're lucky early on. We'll see what happens further down the track, but let's hope the luck continues throughout this staking pool life. So now that you've found the staking pool, the investor accelerator, make sure it's the correct one. You can see my Twitter, YouTube, and link here. You just want to go across to delegate, click on that, and then click OK. The same process that we did with Daedalus, and that is going to delegate your ADA to the staking pool so you can start earning rewards straight away. Now, if you're new to the staking process, quick Q&A. Probably the first question you're going to ask is, when am I going to get paid? This is the delegation cycle. You can find this anywhere online. You're going to wonder, when am I going to get the ADA into my wallet address? It takes about 15 to 20 days. You got to wait for a couple of epochs to go through. They're every 5 days, so you get one epoch every 5 days. And in the first case, you'll need to wait about 3 of those epochs to see the first rewards come through, potentially 4. But at the other end of the scale, if you ever withdraw all of your ADA and undelegate it, then you'll still be receiving your rewards for 1 to 3 more epochs after that point. So it's just lagging. That's all it is. You'll get your rewards within 15 to 20 days. Speaking of undelegating, you can unstake it at any time, and you don't have to hold the ADA forever in that wallet. So if you wanted to stake it at first, you wanted to delegate it to the investor accelerator pool, which you can find a link to in the description down below. You can find the details down there. This isn't locked in forever. You can unstake it at any time. Should the price skyrocket and you want to take some profits, by all means, go ahead. So that brings you a bit of peace of mind that your money isn't locked away for 3 12-month long-term deposits. You can unstake at any time. Now, is there a minimum that you have to stake? And that minimum, as we saw with the Daedalus wallet, is 10 ADA. That's all you need, and that's across all of the wallets. You'll need 10 ADA to stake. Now, what do these numbers mean over at the Investor Accelerator staking pool? Pledge is a big one there. So you want to see that the staking pool provider, that's ourselves here, the Investor Accelerator, has put up a good amount of ADA to go towards the pool. And in this case, for this pool, there's 100,000 ADA that has been put up for the pool here. So you want to check those off if you're going through different staking pools, just to make sure that the provider has some skin in the game. And that's essentially what the pledge is about. It also helps out with some of the returns as well. Speaking of returns, and the average returns are around 5.5% per annum. If we get lucky on some of the epochs, it can be a lot more. The last ones we've had have been around 7%, but this is all based on luck. There is nothing that you can confirm to say that one staking pool is going to do a lot better than another. Basically, going with the ones that you trust, people who provide you information. At the end of the day, you can really choose whoever you want. So they're the main questions that come up when it comes to staking your ADA. I hope that helped you out a lot. Let us know, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, bell notification icon so you can be updated with the Cardano content here on the channel. We've been doing very well with tracking the Cardano market, calling some great tops and exit points, which I like the look of for potentially taking some profits on with my staked ADA. So looking at the recap of the video, we've gone through Daedalus wallet, we've looked at Yori wallet. If you want something quick and light, Yori wallet is the way to go. Daedalus has the blockchain. Why would you want one of those? It's just more secure. You've got more control over the wallet. Yori is a light version, but Yori is quicker. We've also looked at how to send your ADA to the wallets themselves so that you can get started quickly staking your Cardano. And then you can do this on a regular basis like a dollar cost averaging method. We also looked at where to purchase Cardano from. Obviously, we have SwiftX here in Australia. We've got Binance internationally. and then you can send it to those wallets. Remember, as the price of ADA increases, so does your return. So even though it's 5.5% per annum, if ADA doubles in value, you're still getting 5% in ADA, but the price of ADA has now doubled. So you're getting more in terms of your dollar return. And that's one big reason why investors love to use staking cryptos, so that it can be earning passive income. So I hope that video helped you understand what staking Cardano is securely and safely. I wish you all the best with your passive income journeys. Be sure to use the details in the description down below to stake your ADA with the Investor Accelerator staking pool. Stick around on the channel, make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell notification icon for all of the crypto and in particular Cardano videos coming up on the channel. I'll see you at the next one. Until then, have more fun to get more done.